Welcome to our very first Healthy Saturdays episode. These videos will be Facebook exclusive and will be uploaded once every Saturday to bring our viewers tips and tricks for health and well-being. My name is Monica. I am one of the founders of Nana and Mona, and I really hope you enjoy these videos. Our team is interested not only in your education, but also in your health and well-being. This video is going to be dedicated to those hardworking eyelash artists. Now, we understand the hard work and effort that goes behind creating those eyelash sets. The strain on your neck, your back, your wrists, we know it all. Today, we are actually going to be focusing on the facial muscles, and we will show you some exercises that you can do to relieve some pain. Now, staring at blonde lashes, curly lashes, stacked lashes, thick, thin, downwards, there's a whole world of lashes. Staring at them can cause major strain on your eye area. Now, if you're like me and you wear eyeglasses, you might want to remove them for this exercise. All you're going to need for this exercise are your hands. We will start by rubbing the palms of our hands together. And the whole purpose of this is to generate heat. Once you feel that your hands have generated some heat, you want to gently cover your eye area. You're not creating any sort of pressure. You're not pressing down on them. You're just kind of creating a cave around your eye area and allowing that warmth to flow. And we're gonna do this as long as we feel the heat. It can be up to a minute or less. This exercise will create an effect called vasodilation, which will allow your eye area and muscles around to relax. Since this exercise is very small, you can go ahead and do this either in the beginning of an appointment, after an appointment, or if you have proper sanitation, you can do this while you are doing an appointment. Just be sure to sanitize your hands and you're done. Now, by the end of the day, once you are ready to relax and done lashing, you might want to do this second tip. Now, for this exercise, you will need either a wet cloth, or you can get 2 to 3 ice cubes and wrap them up in a cloth or a t-shirt, whatever you have in hand. Just make sure that you don't have the ice cube directly on your skin because it can cause burn. Or you can also grab a gel masks that you can find at any pharmaceutical store, the ones that cool down. Now, for this exercise, you want to make sure that you apply either the cold cloths or the gel masks above your eye area or your facial muscles. This can be done for 10 to 15 minutes. We do recommend for you to do this almost before going to bed, so that way, once you're done, you can remove it and relax. So for this, on the contrary to the exercise that we did before, where we generated warmth, we're going to be cooling down the muscles. The ice provides different benefits such as analgesic, which will diminish any sort of pain, anesthetic, which will numb the whole area, and it also regenerates the muscles, which will reduce any inflammation or stress accumulated in that area. Completing these exercises will have you feeling good as new, and you will be on top of your lash game. I really hope that you found this tutorial to be very helpful. If you'd like to see the same information but in Espanol, you can go ahead and check the playlist called Sábados Saludables, which will be here in Facebook as well. Let us know your thoughts or your topic suggestions in the comment section below. We'd really love to hear from you. We thank you so much for the support. We love you, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye!